Tyler also collects Disney planes.
And cars.
So we thought we'd show you his planes collection as well. Okay, and we'll have sweet Tyler. Tyler, say hi.
Hi.
Tell you who his planes are. Who's this guy?
Does he have no wheels?
Yep, he is a much played with Dusty Craphopper.
And his antenna is broken.
Yep, his antenna and his wheels
Yep,
are broken, but that's okay because he becomes. Who's this?
Supercharged Dusty.
Supercharged Dusty. He's all fixed now.
And this one is all fixed.
This is Jolly Wrenches Dusty.
Yep.
All
fixed. And I call him Back Dusty.
Yep. Then we have Pontoon Dusty. He is from the second Planes movie. And we have Firefighter Dusty, also from the second Planes movie.
He's not.
We have Bravo and Echo.
Yeah, Echo.
Oh. We have El Chupacabra. Shawnee.
Yeah.
Rip Slinger.
Yeah.
Arturo.
Yeah.
And over here we have Bulldog.
Yeah.
Skipper.
And
this is Franz. He is a flying car.
Drip.
And then we have Drip.
Now done.
This is our Disney Planes collection.
No,
Say goodbye, Tyler.
Goodbye.